What's up, everybody? How are you doing? Welcome to Marketing with Dom, and you are here for the launch of Coaching 2.0. If you're one of the first people to watch this video, you are going to get access to a 50% discount and being one of the very first 100 students in the door. This is very, very, very important to get in now. Today we're going to talk through this video of everything that we're going to include in it and why I am doing this, and please stay to the end because it's best to know everything you need to know, so please take notes and really go about this the right way. My name is Marketing with Dom. I've trained over 3,000 students and I've created over 100 full-time creators. And I'm telling you, life in this Onlyfans business has been good, and I want it to be good for you. So this is why we're launching Coaching 2.0. We've realized people that work with us directly get 5 to 10 times the result from the original course that we had. So because I'm here to try to make impact and change people's lives and create more full-time creators, I decided let's go all out when it comes to training. I'm going to spend an extreme amount of time in 2021 showing people how to become full-time creators. Here's one thing even better for you. If you've been wondering if you should work with me or not, like if you should take this plunge, we're going to do a 30-day, 100% money back guarantee. The only catch to that is you have to be able and you have to implement the things that we're teaching you. And if they don't work, get all your money back. Because I do not want to work with somebody who does not make more money on the platform. And why would I want to take your money? Promise you I don't. I'm doing pretty well in this business, and I expect to get to the next level into 7 figures in 2021. And because of that, I have to help more people than I ever have. And now it is your time. So let's talk about what we are going to bring to you if you are coming into Coaching 2.0 with us. One, we're going to do a one-on-one audit of your platform, show you the things that you need to do that we've learned over the last 2 years to increase the amount of sales that happens on your Onlyfans platform. There's a lot of ins and outs and tricks that we've learned that definitely I know most people do not implement and that we want you to implement. Two, you're going to get access to the academy to be able to use as a reference to get videos of the basics of how-tos and strategies and stuff that we use, so you can always go back and learn that information. 3, you get to work with us directly and ask any questions you need, so you do not have to get stalemated on the platform without taking action. And 4, we will have our media team ready for you when you're ready to invest in yourself to get more subscribers. We have a network of the top creators and models from anywhere from 5% all the way up to the 0.01%, making anywhere from $2,000 a month, which is really, really good, all the way up to making $40,000 to $50,000 a month. And we're able to use them in our network where most people can't even get a hold of them, but they've been working with me for years and they know I know what I'm talking about, and I'm going to give that opportunity to you. So the Coaching 2.0 is going to have all of that access, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. If we do not increase your income and you don't make more than $97 by working with us, please take your money back. I don't need it. But what I do want to do is create more content creators and full-time OnlyFans users than anyone in the business. Because if you grow, I grow. So let's break this down of how you're going to get access. You can go to onlyfanstraining.com and then you can enter into Coaching 2.0 and jump in, and immediately it's going to send you to a place for you to set up a call with me or one of my best teammates to know what it's going to take and learn and kind of feel where you're at in the platform and give you the insights and information you need. If you're not willing to invest in yourself, this is not for you. If you do not want to be a full Onlyfans creator, this is not for you. If you're trying to hide your face and be anonymous and you don't really want people to know who you are, this is not for you. This is for the creators in the industry that want to be full-time and they want to be an Onlyfans creator every single day of their life, rather than working for something else or anything else that you want to do, but be able to fund your business through OnlyFans. And that's where I want to get everybody in the business too. So if you're ready to get in here, there's only 100 spots for the very first 100 people, which is $97 a month. After that, the price will be raised. I have no idea what it's going to be after that. But we are going to try to create the most content creators in the business in 2021. And if you want to be a part of it, This is your time now. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Make sure you subscribe down below, ring that little bell for all the updates that we're going to have on this channel as well, because if you're not ready to join us, this YouTube channel will be providing a huge amount of content for you to learn the things that really work on OnlyFans. Hope you have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you in Coaching 2.0.
Everybody get your roll on. Recuperate, I think I need to hold on. But I feel like Manny Fresh, I get my roll on. Yeah, that's right, I ran it up till it was all gone.